Today, we're exploring the journey of John Travolta, the legendary Hollywood star whose career has spanned from the disco dance floors of Saturday Night Fever to the iconic cool of Pulp Fiction. As one of the most recognizable faces in cinematic history, Travolta has spent decades navigating both immense professional success and intense tabloid scrutiny regarding his personal life and beliefs. So, is John Travolta gay? Let's find out. John Travolta was married to actress Kelly Preston for 29 years, a partnership that was considered one of Hollywood's most enduring until her tragic passing from breast cancer in 2020. Together, they navigated the highs of stardom and the profound grief of losing their eldest son, Jet, in 2009. Throughout his marriage and his subsequent years as a widower, Travolta has frequently been the subject of rumors and several high-profile lawsuits alleging same-sex encounters. However, Travolta has never identified as gay, consistently dismissing these claims as efforts by individuals seeking a payday or media attention. The speculation surrounding his sexuality has often been linked to his long-standing membership in the Church of Scientology, a focal point of much of the public's curiosity about his private life. Despite several books and documentaries featuring former associates claiming to have knowledge of his private preferences, Travolta has maintained a dignified silence or issued firm denials through his legal team. He has chosen instead to focus his public narrative on his passion for aviation, his career, and his role as a dedicated father to his children, Ella and Benjamin. Is John Travolta gay? As of now, John Travolta remains unlabeled regarding his sexual orientation, having never publicly identified as gay or bisexual. In his personal life, he continues to live as a single father in Ocala, Florida, where he resides in a unique home that doubles as a private airport for his fleet of aircraft. He has remained largely out of the dating world since the death of Kelly Preston, stating in recent interviews that he is not currently looking for a new partner and is focused on supporting his children's burgeoning careers. Professionally, Travolta is experiencing a steady late-career resurgence. In late 2025, he wrapped filming on the upcoming action thriller Cash Out 2 and has been active on the International Film Festival circuit. He also continues to be a prominent figure in the aviation community, recently receiving a Lifetime Achievement Award at a gala in Los Angeles. While he occasionally shares glimpses of his life on Instagram, he remains one of Hollywood's most private icons, keeping the details of his romantic life strictly behind closed doors. John Travolta has transformed from a teenage heartthrob into a resilient veteran of the entertainment industry. While the public's fascination with his private life persists, he continues to navigate the world on his own terms, prioritizing his family and his lifelong love of flight above the noise of the tabloids. Thanks for watching a video. If you want more episodes on Hollywood's biggest legends and their journeys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.